Here are 3 things that cause your Botox to wear off faster. Dr. Barrett, board certified plastic surgeon. I'll tell you at the end of this video how much a typical treatment costs. So Botox is a neuromodulator just like Dysport, Xeomin, or Daxxify being my favorite lately, to delay or improve the appearance of wrinkles in your face due to dynamic action. So like squinting here, raising your eyebrows and frowning, those are the top 3, those are the most common areas. When you get that treatment, sometimes it lasts longer and we don't know why. We have several theories on this. Some has kind of been proven by science, one of which is a zinc deficiency. So if you have low zinc, make sure you take your zinc before you get your Botox injection. It doesn't help you afterwards, but if you take the zinc prior, your Botox or your neuromodulator injection might last longer. The other one is stress. Lowering your stress level will help improve the effect of your skin health and will help in some situations prolong the effect of your neuromodulator treatment. And the last one is exercise. The higher metabolism you have, the faster the turnover of these products I've seen. So people that are big fitness junkies, their Botox will wear off. But again, that's not something I would recommend that you stop doing because there's so many positive effects to exercise. So you're gonna have to use your judgment on that one. Typical Botox ranges anywhere from like $8 a unit all the way up to $22 a unit here in Beverly Hills. Thanks for watching.